Hello and welcome to CSCult. Today we are discussing a problem 2 of module 2 and the topic is recursion. So let's quickly get started with the problem statement. So the problem statement says that we have a given string S and the task is we have to print all the permutations of that string. So let's quickly get explain the given example. So the example would be we have a given string called ABC and we have to print all the permutations of that string. So as you can see that in the output, we have all the permutations of ABC. The permutation, all the 6 permutation will be ABC itself, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB and CBA. So as you can see that there are 6 permutations of ABC and all are here. And the second example, we have an input string called ABSG. So as you can see that the output, there are total of 24 permutations of the string ABSG. So I have to print all the permutations of the given string. And the expected time complexity will be O of n star n. So hope the problem statement will be clear to you. So now quickly get into a CPP code. Okay, so we are starting with a CPP code by including a header file. Include stdc. I'm using a bits file ++.h. Okay, so I'm using a class called solution, and in that class I'm declaring a vector function. No, before that we are using a access specifier called public. It uses so that all the function will be global and we can call it through the main function. Yeah, so after that I'm using a vector function, vector string, because you have to pass the string, and the function names find underscore permutations, and in that I am passing in string s. So in the vector function I am declaring another vector that I have to return vector, and as we are using string, so the data type would be string and name the vector v. So now I'm sorting the string by using sBegin and sEnd function. So s is our string and I'm using s.begin comma s.end function. So these both functions will help me to sort the string, and now I am push backing my string, my vector, that is v. So v dot push back s. So all the string would be declaring in the vector v. And now I'm using a while statement, while loop, and in that while loop I simply declare a function called next permutation, and in that function I am declaring simply what we have declared in that string s dot begin function comma s dot end function. So with the help of these functions I am having the beginning part of string and the ending part of string, and now I am again push back vector v with string. So v dot push underscore back string s, and I am returning the vector v. So now we have to call our class solution in the main function. So let's get started by the main function, int main. Now I have to declare the string which I have to pass string s. Let's just say cout enter string. Okay, so and scans with the help of scene function. Let's scan the string scene s, and now I'm calling the solution, declaring class solution as ob, solution as ob. So with the help of this ob, I am calling the function vector function. So I have to declare a function basically before that. So I'm declaring vector string and I'm naming this vector as answer ans, and with the help of ob I'm calling the function called find permutation. So ob dot find underscore permutation, and I'm passing the string s. Okay, so as you can see that this as I am calling this function, this whole statement will be performing and we have the return v. But now we have to print the s, the permutations of s, permutation of the string s. So now I am using a for loop, and in that for loop I am using a keyword called auto. So basically this auto help me to declare all the pre-processed data type that have do not have a data type itself. So I am using this keyword auto, and I'm using a integer I and ans answer. Okay, so in this for loop I am simply printing the I. Done with our code, and let's quickly get run it and see if we have get errors or not. Okay, so our code is compiled, and let's input our string. I'm inputting string as ABC. Okay, so as you can see that the output will be the permutation of ABC. So we have 6 permutations of ABC: ABC, CAB, ACB, BAC, BCA, and CBA. So hope this code will be helpful for you and all your doubts will be cleared. So thank you and see you at the other side.